I just picked up this Sparrow 22 by SilencerCo. I will be running it on a Volquartsen Black Mamba. Just installed the Holosun just quickly. Probably will change out this optic, but just for review purposes, actually testing purposes. So once again, that's a Sparrow 22. I believe it's a 1-inch can, a 1-inch diameter, 5-inch in length, and about 6.5 ounces. So just whatever ammo I had in my car, which is the Wolf, their match grade, their match target, the Eley Bullseye Pistol X, and that's the only Subsonic rounds I had, the Gemtechs. So I want to test them out, see how they print at 25 yards. So I'll be shooting it. You'll guys be able to follow and see how it does. So once again, that's Black Mamba by Volquartsen.
And a black mamba can kill you.
All right, so first we'll do Wolf match targets. 10 shots at 25. All right, let's go see. Pull the first one. Just such a light trigger. Surprised me. But that's Wolf. This is like 2.5, 3-inch all day. Such a good round.
It's incredibly accurate.
Now 10 more shots with the Gemtech Subsonic suppressor rounds. Let's see how they print. Probably could have slowed down just a bit, but I'm not going to change anything at this point. Surprisingly, they were a little bit louder than the Wolf. So this is like, I want to say what, 3-inch? So not bad.
Believe me, honey, there are many better options out there.
And finally, I will be testing the Eley Bullseye Pistol X. Or is it Eley? Eley? Maybe Eley. Not sure. So it's, I say Eley Bullseye Pistol X. They were also surprisingly quiet for a non-subsonic rounds out of the 22 can. Once again, that was all me, rushed. I could have shot this much tighter. That's probably, like I said, that's probably in a 3-inch.
Let's try, really try. How about it?
I didn't buy the suppressor ammo, so I'll be using the Eley Bullseye. They're non-subsonic ammo, but should be good enough. Obviously, I don't have my ears on, so just want to place 10 shots at 25 yards just to see how they print. So easy. Let's go check it out. Not bad. Not bad. That's probably 2.5, 3-inch maybe. Yeah, about 2.5. Awesome. Suppressor is awesome. The Eley Bullseyes, great ammo. I love it for my competition.
That's amazing. That's the best one
Yeah,
yet.
it's a really good one, isn't it?
Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. Sound test. Sound test.
All right, now I'm going to do a sound test with the Wolf match target. All right, so there's going to be 5 shots without a suppressor. All right, and 5 shots with, so you can hear it. All right, now let's put that suppressor on, safety. All right, here's the difference. You can see it. Big difference.
Yep, real quiet.
So now an actual sound test with the Eley Pistol X. That's the Bullseye Pistol X. 5 shots without the suppressor. And then I'm going to place the suppressor on. So there's 5 non-suppressed. All right. Safety on. All right, now that's with the Sparrow 22. Extremely quiet. I mean, that's phenomenal suppressor. We're gonna continue testing.
Okay, next up.
All right, so that's without. Safety. All right, so that's with Sparrow 22. Also very quiet.
And I've got one more.
So I just got some CCI mini mags that I had in my car also, and ran them off camera, and they were significantly louder than the other stuff. Just want you to hear it for yourself. So this is without a suppressor. Alright. Safety. And now let's run it suppressed, and you'll see all right, so this is suppressed. Significantly louder than my other stuff.
I thought it was going to be silent. Just
It
kept
was
going
not
and
silent.
it made a sound and
It
it was
got louder.
embarrassing.
It got louder.
I'm sure it's Magnum rounds, right? They're mini mags, so they're running at what, 1260 feet per second. But just so you know, so the can, even though it's only a 22 long rifle, you know, you run the faster stuff, it's going to be definitely louder. So so far the Federals, I'm sorry, the match Wolf, match Target, the Eley Pistol X, those are the quietest. And I have some others to test out. I'll be testing Lapua later on, the Pistol X, or Pistol King, I'm sorry, and I think I have Midas X. We'll see.
And that's all, folks.